hi guys. Hi, but we're busy. Well, what are you doing? What are we doing?
Oh, yeah, I'm so excited about what. Yeah, what do you think?
I don't know, Liz. It looks really interesting.
Yes, interesting to me too. Yeah, don't it? Audrey,
Hi, guys.
it's so good to see you today because, we're all surfing.
Net together. And
Yeah,
wait,
well,
lost my glasses, man. Wait, hold on. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, Audrey, that was really good. Yeah, well, I know you love chickens, but, hey, wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, bark. Oh, what she got over there? I mean, she's surfing it. She's got a lot of work to do. You know that, you guys? She has so much. Well, tell you what.
What do you like?
Why don't we let Audrey do her work, and then we can start our Kung Fu practice!
Okay, guys. Thank you very much. I think maybe I'd rather be doing that than this, but
Yeah, well,
we all have our things to do.
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
We won't bother you, Audrey. Bother, girl.
Okay.
No.
Oh no, Audrey, you're so totally cool, man. Like, no, we won't bother you. No.
Yeah, we won't. We miss you.
I miss you.
We won't bother you because we know you're so busy.
I missed you. Yeah. We'll have to get together soon.
Okay, are you going to be surfing the net too?
I am surfing the net.
You are surfing the net right
but
now?
it's not as beautiful as your surf. Mine's
Really?
different. Yeah,
Whoa.
it's just different.
It's a different surf?
It's a different surf.
Yeah, okay. Well, okay, that's good.
But when you're going to surf the net, dog, you can surf it. That's very good. Surfing, I like surfing when I have these special feet. Yeah, they're very good for surfing.
Yeah.
Yes. So, thank you, Audrey.
Thank you, guys.
We'll talk to you later. We won't bother you.
And I won't bother you. I promise.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, in the Stewie Canoe School of Happy Kung Fu, we have many styles of Kung Fu. Yes.
Well, I would love to know how you. First of all, I'd just love to see what they look like.
Well, shall we demonstrate? Yes. Who shall go first? The amazing crab. Notice the power of the sideward movement is very rapid. You can hardly even see him.
Yeah, dude, like,
That's the short range turtle ninja specialist. Tap. Two. And don't forget the fantastic golden rooster. Bark. Very powerful kicking technique. Pat. See, notice that. That's very good. And also spinning. Not to mention my own system. Monkey. Notice this tail. Yeah, that's very good. Thank you.
Well, that was amazing. It was totally amazing, you guys. It's incredible. You move so beautifully, powerfully. But I do have a question.
Yes. Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
How do you choose which system?
Easy. Yeah, Oh, yeah, it's very easy, very easy, very easy, very easy, very, yeah,
Kids, dude, like, kids, we have a system for choosing things, and it's really easy.
Well, you gonna tell me about it?
Yeah, we're gonna tell you. We're gonna tell you how to choose anything.
Yeah, that's right. How to choose anything.
Okay, guys, I'm all set. I'm ready for my answer now.
Okay, but what's the question?
Oh yeah, it's how do you choose which style of kung fu?
Oh, that's easy. It's so easy because, us kids, we have this system of answering that question, how to choose the right anything. Yeah, that's what it is. But where do we start? Oh, yeah. I know now. Okay, we have to define the words, right? All we do, we define any word we don't understand, and then we go to our magic mind, and it's very, very important. Well, lots of things are important. I mean, that's what Audrey said. She said lots of things are important. But yes, very many things are important. But this is how we answer the important questions.
Together, bark.
Yeah, together. And we work together. So, you're asking how to make the right decision about anything. Okay, well, here we go. So we're going to figure out what word we need to understand. Let's see. You said, how do we choose the style of kung fu? Whether it's crab, the turtle ninja, the golden chicken, or the fabulous monkey. Well, this is how we do it, okay? First, this is only for important questions. Well, how do we know what question's important?
Yeah. You want to know how?
I really do. How do you guys really figure out what the important questions are?
Well, that's really easy because we just look at grown-ups.
Grown-ups?
Yes. You see, whatever they think a problem is, that's an opportunity for us.
Yeah, it's an opportunity.
And if a grown-up thinks it's a problem, that means it's really important. So, let's start.
Okay.
Let's start right now. All right. So we need to look up, let's see, what word we choose. We have to know what that means, right? If we're going to choose the right thing to do, we must know what choose means. So, I don't have a computer around here. Oh, Audrey, could you look up that word, choose? Choose, yes.
Choose.
What does that mean?
Okay, I'll look up the word choose.
Yes, it must mean something that we all need to know together. That's why we move like this.
I think it means like when you have gum in your mouth, you go, no.
Yes, choose.
Choose.
That's a different
choose.
type. Yes, you're right. That's a different choose.
Oh.
I figured she'd be wanting to eat something, that's kind of what she does. But, okay.
Okay, I'm looking up the word
Choose.
choose.
Oh, I see it right there.
Choose.
Oh, it means to pick something.
Yes, that's
Ah.
right. It means, thank you, Audrey. That was very nice of you to help us like that.
Okay, to pick something.
Pick
All
out
right.
or
It
select.
means to pick something out. Okay, so we had to pick it out, right? So how do we do it? Well, the first thing with any important question
Is we have to get rid of fear.
Get rid of fear to answer a question?
Yeah. Because if we feel bad
mad
or sad,
and we try to answer a question, it gets all mixed up.
That makes so much sense.
yeah.
Look, what I told you to do it. Look, you never answer an important question if you feel
Bad
mad.
or sad.
Yeah. So we first go to get rid of all the fear. Get rid of all the fear. That's easy because you can put it in a lot of places, right? You can float it in a balloon and a bubble.
You can put it like in the sand.
Yeah, you can put it on a shelf somewhere.
Oh, you could put it in a magic egg. A magic egg?
Yeah. Magic egg. You can put it anywhere. Use your magic mind, right? And you do that by saying, I am me. I am me.
I am me.
I am me.
I am me.
Me.
And then, I am love.
I'm love. I am love. Oh, I'm love. I'm love. I'm love.
I'm love, yes.
Then you feel good. We feel very good, actually, because when you're loved, you do feel good. And we all know what that means. That
was the very first thing, right? Love is when you're doing whatever you want to do and everybody's doing what they want to do, but you're not hurting anybody, you're not hurting yourself, and you're not taking advantage of anybody.
And you're not taking advantage of yourself. Then you're in love. Now, then you answer the question. And here is a secret.
Yes, you know, in our school, the Stewie Canoe School of Happy Kung Fu, we have many, many secrets.
And we are going to share one of our famous secrets right now.
When you want to figure out the right thing to do, when you want to pick the right thing, you ask yourself another magic question. If you pick something and everybody else in the whole world picked that same thing, would the world be better,
more wonderful, more good for everybody?
And if the answer is,
if everybody did the same thing, the world was really better,
then that is your answer to the question of how to choose the right thing. And so, in our school together, we think about love. Everybody doing what they want to do. They're not hurting anybody, not taking advantage of anybody. That's how we pick
what kind of Kung Fu style. Everybody can choose their own style. The crab,
Ninja Turtle boxing,
the golden rooster, or the famous monkey tail. And that way, we all can do what we want to do, and we don't hurt each other, we don't take advantage of each other, and our whole school works together, and it's better for everybody.
Oh, that is so, so great. You know, do you think I can do that in my life?
Well, you see, it's harder for adults. Yeah, because you're grown-ups. You haven't learned really how to love each other yet.
Well, but do you think you could teach us or help us learn?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yes. No question. Us kids, yes, we can help that. We can remind you about love every time we see you. And it's so much easier, so many opportunities.
Yeah, because we've been searching the net, and it's loaded with opportunities. It sure is.
Yeah, Buck, there's lots of what you grown-ups call problems. Yeah, but I think we can get some Buck solutions. Yes. So, next time, we're going to find another opportunity and solve that one all together with all the kids. And that way, every opportunity
That we solve.
helps make the world a little better. Okay, kids. We'll see you next time. And
Thanks, Chiboola. That was really a good question.
Yes. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
See ya. We gotta go practice now. Hey, Pat,